Hey guys, I want to share a quick tip. I had an issue with the engine case, the crankcase, because I had made a mistake and I over torqued it and it went through and it made a hole here and there was metal here, so I cleaned all that out. But the tip, I tried so many ways to try to get this to hold there, but after many failed attempts, I came up with a solution. I put some JB weld to cover the bottom section there, and some JB weld there. But the real idea, the real cool idea, the real tip here is that to make sure that this doesn't, when I torque it down, it doesn't come off or get loose, I drilled a hole here and halfway through the bolt. Obviously not going past here. And then what I did is I tapped the hole with a, well, in this particular case I used a 3mm times 0.5 tap, and then I put this screw in there. I put some that thing, hold on, this is called Loctite. Yeah, I put some Loctite so it could stay there. So now it should be good. So that's a good tip for anybody who wants to, maybe you could just do JB weld and it'll be fine. You don't have to do this, but I feel that this gives you that extra guarantee that this bolt is not going to, especially on a high compression engine, this bolt is constantly being pushed or stressed. So yep, just wanted to share that quick tip.